Project Search is a program for adults with disabilities
who are able to gain skills that they can use in the workplace,
that are going through a transition time of leaving their high school education and looking to be employable and going into the workforce.
Be contributing members of society, get involved as an employee in their communities.
Great opportunity to help those that have some sort of disability.
And then giving them confidence that, hey, I can do this, and then they can go out in the future and be successful.
To help prepare them for the working world.
One of the things that has been key to having UW-Platteville host Project Search and the success of our Project Search site is all of the resources that are at our fingertips. It has been wonderful for Project Search to be able to utilize classrooms, utilize computer labs, but then also the interaction with other college students, because these are the same age of students that our Project Search interns are. And so there's a peer training and a peer-to-peer learning process that happens that I think that it's amazing to have at a business site such as the university.
Project Search has helped me with my major, which is elementary education, because I can understand more how people with disabilities work and how they function, and I've learned a few tips even from my boss, and some of those things that I've learned I can bring into my future classroom as well.
It's a win-win situation for those that the students work with. They assist in whatever department it may be, and it's an opportunity for people to get to know others, adults with disabilities.
We have 12 departments that have offered to serve as intern hosts, and they're for 10 weeks. The students learn skills in those areas, different skills every 10 weeks, so that they have a chance to learn different skills, to go back to the communities, to find meaningful work.
I also feel like I've been able to utilize this individual into my student employment program at the Marquee, and it has only added quality to the employment program that I have had within my department.
The conversations we've had with businesses is they are willing to hire adults with disabilities. They find that they're very good workers, very dedicated to their job, and they want to be there, they want to be helpful, they want to assist and help the company to be successful. They really take pride in their work.
My favorite thing, I believe, is just seeing the growth in the students that are in the program, as well as actually the people on our staff who are working with them, and seeing their interaction together and the camaraderie that they have.
And I kind of like how we build a friendship that could last years down the road. So I guess that's my favorite thing.
It's exciting to know that they came in and they have succeeded in many different ways. I've seen multiple things. Someone that came in who was very shy and now is able to talk to so many different people.
And so for me to feel like we have succeeded with this project is for me to walk through some of our communities around Southwest Wisconsin and see these students interacting and working within our communities.
I was given the opportunity to work with a member of Project Search, and not only does it change the students themselves, but it changes those around them.
You meet new people, you meet new friends, you come together as a family, honestly. I think it's a great opportunity for everybody who wants to do it.
And what I've learned in Project Search is the skills I didn't know I had.
We are cutting through the jungle, but the next group will pave the road.